In the heart of the Celts' ancient land, a woman's spirit burned with the ferocity of a wildfire. This was Queen Boudicca, a queen of the Iceni tribe, known for her courage and resolve. Born around 30 AD, Boudicca was the daughter of King Prasutagus, a client king of the Roman Empire. When Prasutagus died, he divided his kingdom between his two daughters and the Roman Empire, hoping to ensure peace. However, the Romans had a different plan. They seized the kingdom, flogging Boudicca and her daughters, humiliating them in their own home. Enraged, Boudicca vowed to reclaim her people's independence. Gathering the support of the Trinovantes, another Celtic tribe subjugated by the Romans, Boudicca began to rally her army. With a fierce determination, she led her warriors, a sea of women, children, and men, against the mighty Roman Empire. The Romans, under the command of Gaius Suetonius Paulinus, were taken off guard by the sudden uprising. They were unprepared for the ferocity of Boudicca's forces, who stormed through Camulodunum, Colchester, Verulamium, St. Albans, and Londinium, London, leaving destruction in their wake. The Roman forces, outnumbered and caught off balance, struggled to contain the rebellion. However, their discipline and strategic advantage eventually turned the tide. In a final, crushing battle near the river Watling Street, the Romans emerged victorious, dealing a severe blow to the Celtic resistance. Boudicca's rebellion was eventually quelled, but her legacy lived on. She became a symbol of resistance against Roman oppression, a beacon of hope for those who had been subjugated. Her story serves as a reminder of the indomitable spirit of the human will, even in the face of overwhelming odds. Boudicca's tale is a testament to the strength of a people and the power of one woman's determination. Her name echoes through history, a reminder of a time when a queen rose to challenge the might of the Roman Empire. And though the battle was lost, her spirit remains, a testament to the enduring courage of the Celtic people.